Question 9. Geometric progression. Pure Mathematics 1, May-June 2023. A geometric progression has second term 16 and sum to infinity 100. Part A. Find the two possible values of the first term. Now let's work through the solution step by step. Write AR equals 16 and sum to infinity equals 100. Second term, A times R equals 16. Sum to infinity, A over 1 minus R equals 100. Substitute A equals 16 over R into the sum formula. Solve the quadratic. R is 1/5 or 4/5. So the first term is 80 or 20. First term 80 or 20. A geometric progression has second term 16 and sum to infinity 100. Part B. Show the nth term of one GP equals 4 to the n minus 2 times the nth term of the other. Now let's work through the solution step by step. Write the nth term of each progression separately. First GP, un equals 20 times 4/5 to the n minus 1. Second GP, vn equals 80 times 1/5 to the n minus 1. Divide un by vn. The ratio simplifies to 4 to the n minus 2. So un equals 4 to the n minus 2 times vn. So un equals 4 to the n minus 2 times vn. Question 9 complete.